In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically email reports in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your reports set to send themselves on a schedule, so you don't have to remember to run them manually every time. First, let's get to your custom reports. Once you're signed into QuickBooks Online, look over to the left-hand menu, click on Reports, and then choose Custom Reports. This area shows reports you or your team have already customized and saved, which is important because automated emails are set up from these saved versions, not from the standard report list. Next, find the specific report you want to automate. In the Custom Reports list, look through the report names until you see the one you want. On the right side, in the Action column, you'll see options such as a drop-down menu or a small pencil icon for editing. Click the drop-down or the pencil icon labeled Edit. This opens the settings for that custom report so you can turn on the email scheduling. Now it's time to set up the email schedule. Look for the option that says Set Email Schedule or a button that says Create Schedule and turn that on. Once the schedule option is enabled, several fields will appear that you'll need to complete. Start with the email addresses. Type the email addresses of everyone who should receive this report. If you're sending it to more than one person, separate each address with a semicolon, with no extra spaces in between. This helps QuickBooks send the report to multiple recipients correctly. Next, choose the schedule. Decide how often you want this report to go out, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Think about how frequently you actually need this information, so you're not flooding inboxes with unnecessary reports. Then, set the start date and time. This determines when QuickBooks will send the first automated email. Pick a date and time that matches your workflow, for example, early in the morning on a weekday, so it's ready when you start your day. After that, fill in the subject and message for the email. Use a clear subject line so recipients immediately know what the email contains, like Monthly Profit and Loss Report. In the message box, you can add a brief explanation or any instructions they might need. Depending on your QuickBooks settings and security requirements, you may need to assign a password for the report attachments. This helps protect sensitive financial information in transit. Once everything looks good, save your changes. At the bottom, click Save and Enable, Save and Close, or Save, depending on what you see. This final step activates the schedule, and from now on, QuickBooks Online will automatically email that report based on the schedule you set.